Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows channel. If your desktop or folder icons are not showing correctly and some icons looks blank, white or completely wrong in Windows 11 or 10, this video is for you. This usually happens when the Windows icon cache get corrupted. When that cache is broken, Windows cannot display icons properly. Today I will show you a one-click free tool that fixes this problem in seconds. The tool is called Rebuild Cell Icon Cache. You don't need to use command prompt. You don't need to type any long commands. Just run this small tool and Windows will rebuild the icon cache automatically. For this you need to open this one Sordom website. I will put this one link in this one video description. After that you need to scroll down and here you need to download it. After downloading, right click on this one zip file that you have already downloaded and then unzip it in a folder. Now open that folder and you will find here two files. One is for 32-bit and another one is for 64-bit. In case you use Windows 11, you need to use this one file, and for Windows 10 you might using 32-bit or 64-bit. If you don't know which operating system you are using, you can try one by one. Just right click on the file and select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. The tool will run in background. Your screen may blink for a second. That means the old icon cache is being deleted and rebuilt. After that, your icons should refresh automatically. If not, simply restart File Explorer or restart your PC once, and that's it. Your icons should now display correctly. This method works on Windows 11, Windows 10, 8 and 7. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more simple Windows tips. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.